Well, hey folks, Adam here from Elite Demonstrations. We're talking about this. It is Pure IV Hydration by Dr. Kara, and it's absolutely delicious. Now, I love that it's portable. I just pour it into any bottle when I'm on the go, and this gives me a great flavor profile and incredible nutrition. In fact, I really love the strawberry, the lemon lime, the passion fruit. They're all fantastic, and that watermelon can't be beat. Now, if you've been having issues lately where maybe you wake up dehydrated, you have a dry mouth in the middle of the night, maybe a headache in the morning, this is a great way to really enhance your overall nutrition and get a ton of vitamins into your system and actually hold water. So we're gonna talk about it, we're gonna kick it off, and first, let me show you the full flavor profile and compare each individual flavor. All right, folks, now we're gonna compare all 4 flavors, and they're all fantastic. We're gonna start with strawberry. We've got a little sample right here. Now, the strawberry, I have to admit, is my personal favorite. Now, from the multi-pack, I grabbed some of the watermelon. Now, watermelon is really good. This doesn't have the big sugary flavor that you're gonna get from some watermelon flavors, but it has a very good watermelon flavor. The nice thing about this product is if it's strong, just put a little more water. If you want it stronger, put a little less water. You can adjust it to your taste. The lemon lime, I like the way that Watson described it. Watson said that it reminded him of maybe like a Gatorade, but a bit more nutritious, like just better for you. You could tell it wasn't just sugar. Then passion fruit, I believe that's the name, yeah, passion fruit. Now this one I have to say is hardest to describe. It's the most unique flavor among the bunch. This is one that's more for somebody who's like, I gotta get something that's a little bit outside of my normal palate, because you're not gonna get passion fruit in every flavor profile. It's still good though. So of course the flavors are great, and it's good for you. Loaded with vitamin D, B6, B12, and all sorts of great nutrients that are doctor formulated in the USA, non-GMO, GMP certified facilities. And yeah, this is just good for you. Now, I like to be active. I like to play basketball. I like to do stuff in my day. And this allows me the ability to transport it easily, just keep it in my pocket and pour it into any water glass, any water bottle, whatever you want to do. And you have a delicious, nutritious drink that's going to help hydrate you there. Go ahead and treat your body to something different that tastes good, feels good. Again, it's doctor formulated, lab tested, and it is made with natural flavors. I'm talking Dr. Kara, who's the most trusted name in the field. All right, folks, again, my name is Adam from Elite Demonstrations. We only show you the best of the best so you can forget the rest. Goodbye, my friends.